Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be making bacon and a fried egg in the air fryer. So if you guys are looking for nice, quick and easy air fryer recipes and you like flavor, then you need to come on and join our nice growing little family. Hit the subscribe button. Make sure you also hit the notification button so you'll be notified each time we create a new video. All right guys, so let's go ahead and get started. So I have a couple strips of bacon. I have some jalapeno sliced cheese. You can use whatever type of cheese you like, or you don't have to use any if you don't like cheese. And then I have 2 large eggs over there. So this recipe is going to be for eggs over easy, but if you like your eggs to be more well done, you'll just let your air fryer run for another 2 to 3 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and add in my bacon. For some reason these strips were like super duper long, but we're gonna go ahead and make it work. I get a lot of questions about what size pan I'm using. This is actually a 8-inch pan. It's actually a cheesecake pan, but you can also use any type of cake pan. 8 inches works perfectly for my 7-quart Gourmia. So we're gonna go ahead and put these in for 375 degrees for about 6 minutes, but I'm actually gonna let it go a little bit longer. As you can see, this is after 6 minutes here, but I like my bacon to be a little bit more crispy, so I'm gonna put it back in there for about another 2 minutes if you like your bacon extra crispy. I hope you guys are doing well. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that back in, and this is what happened. As you can see, my bacon started to smoke in the air fryer. Guys, I don't know if you've seen my other video where I show you how to cook perfectly crispy bacon in the air fryer and what you can do to alleviate your air fryer from smoking when you cook bacon. So go ahead and click on that video when you're done with this video, and I have a little picture right there. And guys, you do not want to throw away your bacon grease. Bacon grease has so much flavor. You can cook your veggies in it. I use bacon grease when I have it to cook my sauteed cabbage. Oh my god, so good. So you don't want to get rid of that. So as you can see there, I'm gonna go ahead and pour that in my little bacon container. Yes, I save it and I put it in the refrigerator, and you can use that. That will make some bomb delicious vegetables if you use some bacon grease. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and wipe out some of that bacon grease because I don't want all of that in my egg, because I'm gonna go ahead and fry my egg right in this pan right here. And if I didn't mention, I did line the pan with some foil, so that's the bacon grease. Guys, it's delicious. This is what the bacon looks like. If you like your bacon to that texture, 6 to 8 minutes would be perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and crack open my eggs here. And again guys, this recipe is for eggs over easy. If you like your egg yolks to be more firm with no runny yolk at all, you want to cook this recipe for an additional 2 minutes in the air fryer. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some salt and some pepper. So season your eggs the way you like them. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get ready to put those in the air fryer, 375 degrees, and I did this for about 8 minutes. All right, so that's what it looks like after about 8 minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and put a toothpick in the cheese because otherwise it will fly up in the air fryer, and we don't want that. All right guys, so this is what the egg looks like. I let that go for another minute or so. And now it is time to take that out. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. This is a great way to cook eggs in the morning if you like fried eggs. The air fryer can do so many wonderful things. Oh my lord. And the cleanup for this is not bad at all. So guys, if you like what you see on this channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you will be notified when I upload a brand new video. So I'm gonna go ahead and taste test this egg. Oh my gosh, this egg came out so good. Who knew that you could make fried eggs in the air fryer? Guys, this was so delicious. Oh my word. All right guys, so if you try this recipe, let me know what you think. And again, if you don't like your eggs runny, no problem, just add an additional 2 minutes to your air fryer. And so this was a delicious recipe. All right, guys, so I will see you on the next one. Bye bye.